Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Union Bank gift card using the mobile app, follow these step-by-step instructions for quick and easy activation. Step 1. Download the Union Bank mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already installed it. Step 2. Open the app and log in with your Union Bank account credentials or create a new account if required. Step 3. Navigate to the gift cards or prepaid cards section in the app's main menu. Step 4. Select the option to register or activate a new gift card. Step 5. Enter the gift card number exactly as it appears on your card into the designated field. Step 6. Provide the security code or CVV found on the back of your gift card for verification purposes. Step 7. Complete any additional information fields such as your name and billing address to finalize the registration. Step 8. Tap the Activate button and wait for the confirmation message. Your Union Bank gift card is now active and ready to use for purchases at participating merchants. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.